Okay, mate. C98. So anything left? Yeah, nice entry. Rose had a good call down here, right in this base, and then we barred it back up. So when they bar back up like this, things can be surprising. Like just look at Luna, and at this point, I would probably say take some profits, and you did. Um, it is a gamble leaving it. If I show you a chart here, this is Matic, right? On when Matic launched, it had a very, very similar pattern to this, and Matic absolutely skyrocketed from this pattern. So, you get the big move, and then obviously you consolidate for a long time, big move, and then consolidate for a long time. And then once it takes off, it doesn't only take out the highs, but once it took out the highs, it didn't even backtest the highs. It had a bit of a dip and then went again. So kind of implying that this could have some downside here, and could just keep going, could really keep going. It's almost identical structure to Matic at this point. Of course, it is a little bit risky, and you need to be prepared to hold through a bit of a dip like this, implying that you could get a red candle kind of back down here, before getting some candles way back up to the upside. Imagine that was green. Um, can it play out the same Matic? Well, you have to admire the strength on it. There's no question about that. When a coin or a chart breaks the all-time highs here like this, often I'm going to set an alarm here. Actually, often there, or not often, but there is no resistance. There's nothing here. There's no orders in the order book. So when it does get up here, price can freely run pretty hard to the upside. Okay, so if it catches fire, it can really go. So I'm going to set an alarm here. If we get a dip down, maybe I shouldn't be so greedy. We get a bit of a dip down there. I will look to buy this myself.